Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I have so much of job opportunities for you, like from startups, from multinational companies, which you are eagerly waiting for. And there are so much things to share upon that, like eligibility criteria, the package details, and obviously from the thumbnail you have got to know that there is so much varieties of package available, like high range, low range, everything. Okay, so let's discuss everything in full. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to our channel, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. So let's move on to the video which we was discussing. Before that, we have some things to discuss, like start your career, like apply for any job or start looking forward for your career option. There are some things that you should analyze yourself. So you have two options to select when you start your career. One is going with a career which is related to your graduation type, or the other one is work experience or something related to the field of interest. Okay, so when you're going for like the graduation type, then there are so much criteria to be fulfilled. That is, you must have this much CGPA, you must have this much knowledge in you. So there will be so much criteria to be fulfilled, and we cannot claim that a person, like a student who is having the lowest mark, like 20%, 30%, and who is having so much of arrears and backlogs, we cannot claim that they are not skilled students. Obviously there are so much, we are witnessing every day around us. There are so much students who is academically backward, but they have a lot many talent. So that is the importance, and this world need that. So just choose among yourself where you have to go, and one single step to for that is you have to think in 10 years where you will be. Like you just want a salary, like monthly salary, safe salary, like a safe permanent job, and you have to move on with that, and it's no problem. Like you don't are looking forward some like career growth and all, it's okay to get placed in multinational companies. Or if you're looking forward for your career growth, like in 10 years I should be in this position with this kind of package, I should have these many knowledge, and this is like the career growth that I'm expecting, then it is a good option to opt for startups. Okay, so yes, you heard it right, it's startups. So startups, what are the importance of being in startup when compared to multinational companies? In multinational companies, you will be having some certain routines to follow, like that is a previous like if I got into a job multinational company today, then you will be having some set of things to do, and tomorrow if you came, the same rules, same technologies you have to follow. There is nothing beyond that, like everything will be abstract. Okay, when you go for some startups, it will be, you have to put your head into that, you have to develop your skill to grow up to the like the required things to do. And if you have any suggestions, of if you have anything to like convey, then you can make it with the team members, higher officials, and all of them will be welcoming that as well. And also, Facebook was a startup in 2004, Twitter was a startup in 2006, and Wipro 1945, and TCS came into exist in 1968. And you can see the difference. Even Wipro, TCS is ancient companies, like when compared to the other, and like Facebook and Twitter came into exist like within this few days. It's 10 to 20 years almost they came into exist. Okay, so when we compare, like a person who's having 5 years experience in TCS or 5 years experience in Facebook, who will be valued greater? That is the difference. So if you want to develop your skill, then it is a great option to go for startups, or if you have owned some job security things to be done, obviously you can offer multinational company. It's completely up to you. So now let me present some of the jobs which is both startup and multinational company. I have a combination of both in this video. So the first company that we are having for the business development, okay, that is eligibility criteria is business development. In that field is Procol. So they are India's fastest growing procurement technology company. So CTCs, they are providing us 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the company details, so like the team members of these companies are ex-Google, Zomato, Oyo engineers and product folks who worked at high impact growth companies and believe that we are on the journey of building one. So obviously there are so much skilled people around. So there is no there's no doubt in this company will be flying high. So you can be a part of that, you can showcase your skill in that and be one of the greater employee or one of the greater partner of this company. Okay, so there are so much investors for this company as well. Now the required skills is generate verified leads That's all about the required skills. You just need to have this skill. Okay, there is nothing beyond that. So if you're good at its business management and everything related to that, you can apply for this job. Okay, so next we have Superly, that is a all-in-one platform for lifelong learners to enhance their learning efficiency and productivity. So it's a learning platform. So you can see that it's an online learning era. Okay, this is not about the things, but obviously everyone needs some extra some knowledge or extra certification courses from that you are having from the syllabus. So learning platforms have their own importance. If you could provide the quality education to the to the students, then that this platform will also grow higher. So you can be a part of that with your business management ideas. So this comes under business management. We can see the required skills they're looking is a driven and passionate individual who can work independently as well as in a team with focus on attention to detail and results. Okay, so this is about the Superly. So they are looking forward for that, and CTC available is 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. So they'll be providing 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, depending upon the criteria of what they're having, like the position that you are going to take or the things or the works that you're going to handle, like 6 to between 10, you will be having the CTC, and the location is Hyderabad. Okay, so that is about the Superly. We have the company for the front-end developer, that is developing the front-end website application, everything. So you can see the company is Super Daily. We are almost frequently goods daily delivery service in India. So the location is Bangalore, and they provide 50 to 20 LPA CTC. Okay, so you can see about the company, that is Super Daily is a daily delivery service in India. Starting with the milk, the company delivers the most frequently daily needs to consumers via subscription model. Founded by alumni of IIT and IIM, the company is pioneering the micro delivery e-commerce model in India. Okay, so the company is a Y Combinator startup and is currently backed by Swiggy with a commitment of the estimation, everything is provided there regarding their investment. So you can go through that, and the required skills are JavaScript, ES5 and 6, CSS and HTML, AngularJS or React.js. So this is only the required criteria. You don't have to have some no backlogs criteria, or you don't need any high percentage in your degree, your schooling, high school education. All that required is this, and obviously they are a good team of working. So if you could accompany them with your skill, then it will contribute to the growth of the company as well as the growth of you, and who knows, they will be the next Facebook or Twitter variant. Okay, so that's all about this company. So moving on to the next, which is Lending Club. It's a peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms in India. So they are offering a CTCs 5 to 14 lakhs per annum. Okay, so the location is Mumbai. Now coming to the company details, it's one of the fastest growing peer-to-peer leading lending platforms in India. It is an RBI regulated entity which allows retail and HNI investors to invest directly into loans of individuals or businesses. So it is something related to investment, and this mutual investment, everything has a higher importance right now. It's obviously the secondary, like as a parallel source of income for everyone. Everyone is investing in that. So if it is RBI regulated entity, so it has higher the precisions, or it has a security in themselves. So it is an investor platform, so you can go, and it's something very simple. Their idea is simple and their idea is powerful, that is loan and individuals of the business is what they're looking. And the platform provides a paperless investment experience to these investors. Okay, so you can go to the company details and you can know everything what they're working upon. So they need a front-end developer to develop their application and develop their website, everything. So what they want, the required skills are React.js, React Native, Angular, Vue or JavaScript. Okay, only these many things. As I've mentioned, there is no criteria regarding the academic background or resume. All they want is to have the knowledge in this. Okay. So the next company for the backend development field is 1mg. We are India's leading integrated consumer health platform. So they provide 10 to 30 lakhs per annum as CTC. They have the highest funding rate too. Now, yes, you can see the required skills is problem solving, Python, Ruby on Rails, exposure working with any relational or non-relational database. Good to have. Understanding of message queues, PubSub, and in memory data stores is good to have. So these are the things. I think it's very clear. I have bought some of the job opportunities from business field and front-end development and back-end development as well. So if you wish to join these of them, you can go over the apply link which I have mentioned, which I have shown. So to make your registration, you have to go to revel.com and you can go through the company details, everything, and you can just go for this apply now link to make your application done. Okay, so into this registration you have to pay 199 rupees, and to this, in this we can definitely help you with the 10% of discount, and the coupon code will be given in the description box along with the link to apply. So you may be thinking, why this investing this registering fees? So you can just imagine, if you believe in your skill, if you could give this registration fee on the 50 times of the registration fees, far times of the registration fees you are earning after that. So these kind of investment is like investment to ourselves. So if you wish to make, then you can definitely make into that, else it's up to you, everything is up to you. But these many opportunities are actually underrated kind of opportunities in India, because we are like the trust issues, but obviously it have its own importance. So if you wish or to go for some career section options like this, as I've mentioned regarding the startup and multinational company, like two different career options or career paths that is having, so you can choose among that. And obviously it is no way fake, you can go for that. Just make your registration if you really wish to start your career in a great sector and you would like to have a great career growth in a short time of span. Okay, so that's all about the startups which I have presented. So let's move on to the opening in a multinational company. So this is the opening in IBM for the position Associate Technical Engineer. So you can see, you can go through responsibilities if you wish to know what will be the working or what will be the task that you'll be performing when you get into that. Now I'm moving on to the required technical and professional expertise. Now the proven technical support skills: be persuasive, persistent, and patient. You will have collaborative environments that use agile methodologies to encourage creative design thinking and find innovative ways to develop with cutting edge technologies. Ambitious individual who can work under their own direction towards agreed targets or goals and with creative approach to work. Now the preferred technical and professional expertise will be proven analytical ability to and possess validate organizational and administrative skills, intuitive individual with an ability to manage change and proven time management, proven interpersonal skills while contributing to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed, up-to-date technical knowledge, be attending educational workshops, reviewing publications, etc. Okay, so they don't need much thing. All that they need you to be some knowledge in technical things, and they want you to have like you must be an active aspirant. Okay, so that's what they're looking forward. And you can see here, now the city or township villages, multiple cities, they are having the mass hiring for this position, and primary job category is technical specialist, role is a computer operator, and you can see it's for early professional. Like see, position type is early professional, in the sense they are looking forward for either the graduated students, graduates, okay, that is freshers. Okay, so that's all about the things or regarding this position. Now you can go to this apply to job link to make your application. You can sign in with anything like your LinkedIn ID, your Facebook ID, Twitter, or email, etc. So to apply for this, you have to agree this terms, and I have currently logged in with my Insta account. So you can just log in with your personal thing. Okay. So after that, you have to create an account, and then you have to go for applying for this particular position. Okay. So this is how you have to make the registrations in IBM. So you can see here, you can have to give all your personal information, then your education details, your work experience, then your skill, and after that you can save and continue the session. So hence your details will be getting filled here. So this is how you have to go for the filling session in IBM. So wait for after application, just wait for your turn. If there is any like further process, they will contact you May. So I think it's very clear regarding the different varieties of jobs which are presented in startups and MNC. So if you have any further doubts, please do let us know in the comment sections. We are going through each and every comments, and your suggestions are well welcome. You can make that also in the comment section. So that's all for today. So until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities around, thank you everyone. Stay tuned to Online Study for You. Everybody stay happy and stay safe.